What do you got, Roman? You got the kitty? That's just the cutest thing ever. Where are you taking that kitty? To Haley's room?
My kitty! No, my kitty.
We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning, I'll never see you hurt. You know I can't explain it in a way of words. We both know that you'll understand, and you'll see if you take my hand, and I'll go out of my own way for you.
Roman, are you naked? Let's get you dressed first. Do you even want to get dressed? No?
Mommy wants to sit next to Haiti.
Good morning. We have these two, and I am going to take them to get something to eat and run a couple errands, and then probably by that time it'll be time to pick up Brayden and Kesley. So that is what we are doing right now. And we are gonna go get Roman some slime.
Yay!
Because he was a good boy to let mommy put his eye drops in his eyes, right, Roman? So we're gonna go get him some slime, and Haley, because hers is getting old. So yep, that's the plan right now. So let's go, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are at the restaurant where we're going to eat lunch. Haley wanted Chinese, so we're gonna have Chinese. And it looks like she even got her brother out of his seat for me. Such a big helper. You got it, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. We just picked up Brayden and Kesley from school, and Kesley had a field trip today at the what?
Planetarium. Yay.
So what did you do at the planetarium, Kesley?
There was like a movie, and then at inside of the planetarium, at the movie theater, and there we get it to move around. Yeah, it feels like you move around. Yeah.
Whoa, that sounds so cool. I'm so upset that I missed it.
In the end, I get to get toys and stuff.
That's so cool, Kesley. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the moving part.
The moving part?
Yeah, that's always my favorite.
Okay, so we're at the park, and we got these yowies for the kids to open.
Yeah.
So everybody grab your color. What's yours name?
Nah.
What's yours name? Did he? Kesley, what's yours name?
Squish. No, squish.
Yours is Squish. Rumble. Okay, everybody, go ahead and open them.
Oh my god. So milky. Trying to get little pieces for these guys.
What is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
I got.
Brayden got a shark. Haley, what is it called? You gotta read the paper.
I think it's called True Tree Dweller.
Oh, Kesley got what's his face? What do you got, Roman? You got the kitty?
Baby.
That's just the cutest thing ever. Where are you taking that kitty?
Worm.
To Haley's room?
Baby. My kitty. No, my kitty.
So today at Five Below, we got these little fidgets, and Brayden is going to show us what they are for.
So,
Okay, well, if you're stressed,
oh,
you
that one.
either pick
Huh?
this, 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 or this. Or sometimes you can. Now these, there's three that make clicking sounds. You probably can't really hear it. And then there's two more that don't really make any sounds. They're just if you're stressed, you can like push them really hard.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can do this with this little ball, this metal ball. You just swirl it around. And also you can do this with those pieces. And then you can do that. And you can go like this. You know what's cool? I use this as say I'm a robot. Say I'm a robot. And if I go like this, I go straight. If I go like this, I go like this way. If I go like this, I go like this way.
Morning.
I think my face. Oh, and then also you can do this.
Good
And there's this
morning.
one or just blink.
Oh,
It actually feels kind of good.
What's
So
up?
What's your favorite part?
that's hard.
My favorite part is the buttons that click.
Yep. The other ones, like the ones that don't make any sounds.
Kitty.
I don't like the ones that don't make sound.
Yeah. But I think I like this one right here.
That one, the light switch,
Yeah.
it soothes you.
Yeah, it's easy.
Oh,
I think the one. Bro, which one do you like?
That one.
I guess Roman likes the buttons
Roman likes
too.
the buttons too.
Taylor likes the buttons. Christy likes this part for some reason. It kind of hurts your fingers.
Yeah, so like I think it was a good investment. I think I'm going to start using it when I'm stressed and see if it works, because
Mom.
I think it'll do wonders.
Good morning.
Okay, so we are home and we're about to get ready for bed. Well, we are getting ready for bed. Right, guys?
Yeah.
So, everybody ate dinner. We all are in showers and baths and jammies, and we're ready for bed. So, we're gonna end the vlog. And if you liked it, go ahead and give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Bye.
And we'll see you
Later.
later.